What's going on, my Make Money Online fam? My name is Marissa, and in today's video, we're getting into 6 websites that help me day by day generate multiple 6 figures in my online business and create passive income. This income level would not be possible without these 6 websites that I am going to break down for you today. Not only that, I wouldn't be able to create passive income. I wouldn't be able to travel the world when I want, live life on my own terms, operate my business from just a laptop and an internet connection, none of that stuff. So I got some really great insight for you today and a couple of bonus resources to give away, so be sure to stay to the end of this video. And if your goal is to hit that multiple 6 level mark in your business, go ahead in the comments, type in 6 figures, because from 6 figures, you can go to 7 and to 8. So let's go. All right, so coming in for the first website at number 1 is a website called Kartra. Now, it's really hard to just consider Kartra one website because Kartra is literally the all-in-one. And let me say that again, let me just write it down. All-in-one business platform tool that you will need for your online business. And the reason I say that is because Kartra is a sales funnel builder. It's an email marketing platform. It hosts membership sites. It does all the automation, email sequencing that you could need. And if you're listening to this list and you're like, ew, like I know I need this, but I don't even know where to start, keep watching, because I got a resource that's going to really help you and create automation in your online business. Trust me. Okay, so when I say all-in-one, that's what I mean. It has sales funnels, it has email marketing and everything you need. Because with other systems, you can get an email marketing website or platform to do your email marketing, like MailChimp, Aweber, GetResponse, or something like that. But it doesn't include all the other tools you need, such as sales funnels. You need sales funnels for any company, for any business that you are running online. It's inevitable, okay? And for those of you who are like, okay, I've heard sales funnel, I just don't really get what it is. Let's go back to the popular example of McDonald's. McDonald's is the most popularist sales funnel in the world that we are all familiar with. Think about when you're in the beginning of the drive-thru. That's the top of their funnel, okay? So you have officially entered their funnel, and you can compare the top of the funnel to any social media platform that you have online. You are attracting traffic to your platform, to your social medias, and people are seeing you at the top of the funnel. Okay, so when you're going through the drive-thru, you're going into their funnel and they're like, hey, what would you like today? And you say, I want a Big Mac. McDonald's does not make money. They don't profit off of their hamburgers, right? McDonald's profits off of their upsells. Would you like fries and a drink with that? Would you like a today's special with that? That's how they make their money. But they're funneling you into a sale. So a funnel is simply taking somebody through a sales process. Sales funnels online, it just means that you're doing it online, all right? So the beginning of the sales funnel is your warm traffic that is on your social media platform, or maybe you're running ads, all right? And the second step is they would opt in and grab a freebie. Maybe you have a PDF, an ebook, a lead magnet, okay? So this is what the funnel looks like. But the ultimate goal down here is the sale. The goal is to make money. So our business could be in business and continue to be profitable. But up here is traffic, okay? And then this is probably a landing page. And then you have email marketing so that they can be nurtured, the email subscribers that opt into your list. Okay, so all of this is possible with Kartra. And that's why with Kartra, you not only have all those tools, but also a way for people to check out, for people to pay you. You can connect your Kartra account to a merchant like Stripe, so you can receive payments with credit cards. You could also receive payments with PayPal. It really is your one-stop shop to building a really successful business. So if you're confused and like, oh my gosh, I don't even know where to get started. Well, my team and I just came out with this resource called Funnels on Fire. And from the names of that course that we created for you, it is a Kartra course that breaks down how to build your funnels from scratch. It breaks down what is a funnel, the messaging you need on your funnels, everything step by step. So funnel making is no longer scary. It's fun and easy. And so to access this Kartra bonus or this Funnels on Fire course that we've created for you, all you have to do is sign up and get the $1 trial for Kartra. And you can find the link in the description below with all the information of how to sign up. However, I will warn you, this only is for people that are serious about adding automation and sales funnels into their business, because we don't want freeloaders just looking to get the bonus. No, if you get in the trial and then a day later you're like, oh, I'm gonna cancel just so I can have the bonus. No, we will eliminate the bonus and take away access. Like, our team is really good at catching that. So if you want thousands of dollars worth of sales funnel strategy and strategies that actually work and funnels that actually sell, check out the link below and check out the $1 trial for Kartra. All right, so coming in at number 2, the website that helps me out so much is TubeBuddy. So TubeBuddy is actually a Chrome extension, more so a tool. It is a website technically, but what it does is it helps you as a business owner, content creator, entrepreneur looking to get started online, get on the map super fast with YouTube, okay? Because it is, in my opinion, the #1 keyword research tool. So since YouTube is an SEO platform, it is a search engine optimization based website. So Google's #1, Google owns YouTube. And so when people type in anything into the search bar, that's called a keyword. Okay, so keyword research is something that TubeBuddy helps you make so simple. And what I mean by this is you can type in any keyword once you install this Chrome extension, and it'll give you a ranking like good, bad, fair, poor. It'll give you all the data of that keyword you're looking up. It'll give you suggested keywords of what it is you're looking for. And if you were to get like the $9 a month or the lowest plan per month, you get so many more features, like being able to examine other creators' keywords and what keywords are working for them. So it's a very, very powerful tool. And let me tell you, last year on YouTube in 2019, I made $42,000 just from Google AdSense. So when your channel reaches 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you're able to monetize it with Google AdSense, which means you could have ads on your YouTube channel. And so the point is, when you use TubeBuddy and this keyword research tool, you're able to accelerate your growth, get that 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hour mark within the 12-month period, so that you can start monetizing your YouTube channel and start getting paid for the content you create on your channel. So if you were interested in testing out TubeBuddy and installing the Chrome extension for free, you can check out the link in the description. There's also a discount code if you were to check out and get one of their monthly plans. But I can't recommend this tool enough if you are looking to go the organic traffic route and generate traffic on the YouTube platform, which is the most powerful thing you can do. And by the way, I highly encourage you to download my Subscribers to Sales Blueprint, which goes over step by step how I was able to create a multiple 6-figure business leveraging the YouTube platform, and how you, most importantly, can do it too for your business. All right, so this next website and tool is phenomenal, and it is called Group Leads. Now, if you're somebody who has created a free Facebook group as the top of your funnel, or to generate leads and build your list in your business and eventually sell to them within the Facebook group, this tool right here, or this website called Group Leads, is absolutely essential for you to install and use in your business. Let me tell you why. When you install the Chrome extension, what it allows you to do is set up rules and questions when people request to join the group. So you can say, what's your name? Maybe what's your Instagram handle, whatever you want to ask, like what are your top 3 goals with entering this group. What it does is, with a click of a button, it stores that information on a spreadsheet. Not only does it do that, but when it gets the email, so let's say in order to join your free Facebook group, people have to provide their email address. It will connect their email and their name, because you're going to ask for their name as well, to your email autoresponder. How crazy is that? Just with one click of a button, you can do all of that. And it is a very, very, very essential tool for list building. And what does list building do? It helps you sell online. When you build your list, this is the key to everything, okay? When you build your list, you are creating your #1 hottest source of traffic that you own. Nobody else owns, because you don't own the traffic that comes from your YouTube channel. You don't own Facebook. So the point of all of this always is to get people from your social media accounts to your email marketing platform so that you can start building your list of leads. So this tool, or this Chrome extension, Group Leads, I highly recommend you use it, especially if you're somebody who is generating traffic with Facebook groups. It's definitely a no-brainer. And let me just emphasize that I've had the channel you're watching right now, I've had it hacked and deleted before. It's a long story, but if you wanna check out more information about it, you can watch this video right here where I go over being hacked and deleted. But let me tell you guys, it was devastating, okay? And the point of all this that I wanna stress is protect yourself and make sure that you are building your list so that you have a backup source of traffic, your most powerful and hottest source of traffic with your email list. So just wanted to put that in there. The next website that helps me generate so much money online is this one right here. And it's absolutely free to get started and to use, and that is Loom. So if you go to loom.com, your life is going to change forever. Let me tell you, because Loom is that tool where you can use, you have the little bubble of your face, the circle, and it's a screen share software, and it's absolutely free, like free to use. There's a Chrome extension you can install and also an application if you're using an Apple Mac computer. So the reason why I love Loom is because you can generate things on your screen super easily. Anything that you want to screen share is right there on Loom, and you can record it on Loom. The best part about it is that it's web-based, so all the videos that you've recorded stay on Loom, and you don't have to download it and put it into an editing software. You can just record something on your screen. It automatically generates a link for it. You can copy and paste that link and send it over to your team. Maybe you're giving instructions, but maybe you're creating an online course or a digital product, right? Loom is so great for this. So my highest performing videos on my YouTube channel include Loom videos. There's content within my digital products that I use the Loom tool. So Loom really is a powerful free tool that you can sign up and get started using today. The other thing I wanted to mention about Loom is there's other websites out there. So these are kind of bonus websites for this video, like Skillshare and also Udemy, where those two websites are course hosting websites basically. So on Skillshare, you can upload, let's say, a half-hour or an hour-long course on anything, coffee brewing, how to paint, how to decorate your room. And if you use Loom to record these videos and give instructions, you can upload the videos from Loom to one of these websites and start getting paid for it. That's what's super powerful. Udemy works a little bit different, where you create the course, you put it on there, and you sell it for one price, and that's the fixed price. Whereas Skillshare, you upload a course and you get paid based on the subscription fees that they charge their customers. So let's say it's $100. I forget what the amount is for somebody to subscribe to Skillshare. When they watch your video and your course on Skillshare, you get paid a residual amount and a retainer fee basically for the people that watch your videos. So again, Loom is a great creative way to create some passive income through videos that you create with screen share. Okay, so the next website that we are talking about now is LastPass. LastPass is essential for everybody, every business, anyone who does anything online, but especially business owners. And the reason is because LastPass helps with online security. In this digital age, online businesses are freaking amazing. You can make a lot of money, but with the blink of an eye, with the snap of a finger, you can get hacked. You can get a security breach online and everything could be gone within seconds. This is what I experienced when I got my YouTube channel hacked and deleted, which I talked about in this video. But the point is, you need to be better with your online security. So if you go to LastPass.com, you can set up an account for free. And what this does, it auto-populates your password creation with a strong password that's really hard to figure out. It's almost impossible. And not only that, it stores all your logins, your usernames, your passwords in one place. So that way all you need is one master password to access everything. And so LastPass will prompt you to change your master password often with a strong password so that you don't get hacked and everybody can see all your passwords to everything. But definitely check out LastPass, because it is very, very, very essential to keep track of your online security, because if you're making all this money, you have to protect yourself online. You have to get into good online security habits right now. LastPass has all of the passwords and everything to all my online business tools. And I also do use it frequently with my team, and it is such a great tool. So definitely check out LastPass to help you with your online business. The next website that helps me generate a lot of money online is a website called Asana. Now, Asana is a productivity and product management tool. It helps me with productivity every single day and project management with team Marissa Romero, and assigning tasks to my team and keeping everybody organized and on track for the weekly goals. Now, you might be thinking, ew, productivity, project management, that doesn't sound sexy at all. Well, let me tell you, if you don't master that and get that together, scaling your business is going to be literally impossible. Are you feeling sometimes like, dang, I have sticky notes everywhere, I email myself reminders, or I have like maybe 5 journals and 10 to-do lists, and I don't have any structure at all? Trust me, I was there. Everything was super hard because I would wake up in the morning and I'm like, man, like I forgot what I was supposed to do. Like, I'm not quite sure what my goals are. With Asana, it's insane what I've been able to do with this one tool. I've organized my entire business and my personal life on one tool. And Asana also has a mobile app that you can use for your phone. And so imagine this, I save hours every single week because I know exactly what to do. I'm organized. I have a clear path on my goals, my weekly goals, my monthly goals, and my yearly revenue, my big goals, all with this app. So when I wake up and I look at my tasks, my calendar is color coordinated with different things and categories in the business that I need to do, like sales and marketing is one color. My product creation is another color. My YouTube workflow and schedule is another color. So I automatically know every single day what I need to do. It's all programmed in that app. So I will leave the link to Asana in the description so you could check it out. It's definitely worth the couple-hour learning curve to figure out how this productivity tool can really be groundbreaking for you and your business and helping you generate more money and save time. All right, guys, if you are loving this video, why don't we keep the fun going, continue learning and growing together? And I invite you to watch my free masterclass, which is all about the 4-step framework on how I built my multiple 6-figure business, leveraging the power of this platform you're watching right now, YouTube. So if you're interested, click the button below this video. You can sign up for a time at your convenience. It's completely free. I will see you guys on the masterclass. Just click right here to pick a time.